Health and Ayush Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar asserts Ayush medicine Belladonna 200 can prevent Japanese encephalitis with no side effect. Wangjing Tentha MLA Paungnam Brojen urges relevant authority to help farmers with alternate cultivation in the wake of impossible paddy cultivation due to scanty rainfall. Agriculture Minister Vihan Kailian says Agriculture Department is seeking 18 crore rupees from centre to ease alternate cropping for drought-affected farmers. All Manipur Students' Union observes 54th Hunger Marchers Day. Thousands of students take out Hunger Marchers Day rally in commemoration of the day. And All Manipur Students' Union MSU says finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks should not bring communal administrative arrangement in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithuma Monica with the latest news updates. On the second and last day of the 8th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today, Health and Ayush Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar asserted that Ayush medicine Belladonna 200 can prevent Japanese encephalitis (JE) and the medicine has no side effect. He was responding to the calling attention motion in the House raised by opposition MLAs Kumukcham Joykisan and MLA Suraj Kumar Okram on the current alarming JE cases in Manipur. Minister Jayantikumar asserted that adults who take 2 pills and children who take 4 pills of Belladonna 200 can prevent JE in a week, stating that the Ayush department has 1 month's stock of Belladonna 200. Minister Jayantikumar stated that the medicines will be distributed after consulting concerned MLAs. Mentioning that there is a report of 232 suspected cases of JE, out of which 5 people have succumbed to JE, he stated that a dedicated team, each in every district led by Chief Medical Officer, is monitoring suspected cases and carrying out fogging drives. Health Minister Jayantikumar stressed the need to properly immunize people against Japanese encephalitis, especially in remote areas of the state. He also urged the public to cooperate in the fogging drives. Regretting the unfortunate incident that occurred due to inadequate fogging chemical at Hairok, Minister Jayantikumar assured that such incident will not happen again. He urged the people to approach him, the health director and the state malaria officer for fogging in the areas. Regarding the facilities extended to the victims so far, the health minister stated that free diagnostic treatment and free medicine facilities are available at RIMS, Jenims and other panelled hospitals. Minister Jayantikumar asserted that government should provide health security to the public despite financial constraints. The health minister also appealed to the people to join in the awareness and sanitation program organized by the department against the fatal disease. Seizing the zero-hour opportunity of the assembly session, Wangjing Tentha MLA Paungnam Brojen urged the relevant authority and department to make available alternate crops like barley for cultivation in the wake of scanty rainfall, which has prevented paddy cultivation. He maintained that the ignored farmers of the state are hands on air and they have even started selling off their paddy lands, which will bring more plights for the state in the future. Mentioning that there are 23 factories in the state, MLA Brojen stated that industrialization is responsible for deforestation. While Bishnupur MLA Govindas Konthausam seized the 0 hour of the assembly session to express concerns that Jal Shakti Abhiyan recently launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be a failure in Manipur due to some negligent and irresponsible bureaucrats. He urged the government to take actions against such inefficient officers. Wangkhem MLA Kaisam Meghachandra raised the issue of Maitai ST Demand Committee during the 0 hour, stating that the committee has resolved to ban railway project works by September 6. He urged the leader of the House, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, to look into the matter immediately. Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian asserted that the Agriculture Department has urged the centre to give 12 crore rupees for alternate crop plan and another 6 crore rupees for compensatory crop plan in view of drought-like situation in the state. He maintained that the state government has already urged the centre to declare drought in the state. Responding to the star question raised by Wakhem MLA K. Megachandra, Minister V. Hankhalian stated that the state fulfills only 2 parameters out of the total 4 parameters given by the centre government for declaring drought. He maintained that the Agriculture Department has already distributed 206 water pumps to farmers and initiated the pork nursery at KVK Taubal and community nurseries in 4 valley districts. Minister V. Hankhalian made it clear that the Agriculture Department cannot give financial help to the destitute farmers as it comes under natural calamities of the Relief and Disaster Department. The 8th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly concluded successfully today. Finance Minister cum Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren introduced State Audit Report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India for the year and 31 March to 2018 in the House. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan also announced the names of members of the 3 Financial Committee of Manipur Legislative Assembly. Dr. Chaltolian Amo, D.D. Thaisi, K. Megachandra, Pongnam Brojen, K.H. Joykisan, S. Ranjan and T.H. Satyavrata are the members of Public Account Committee, while S. Bira, Yamthong Haukip, Muhammad Fazur Rahim and Indrajit L. Rameshwar Maitai, K. Kesayo and Suraj Kumar Okram are members of Estimate Committee, and the Korungthang, K.S.H. Biren, L. Radhakishore, A.K. Mirabai, R.K. Imo, S. Subhas Chandra and H. Dingo are members of Public Undertaking Committee. All Manipur Students Union AMSU observed the 54th anniversary of Chaklam Khongchat, also known as Hunger Marchers Day, today, commemorating the people's movement against artificial scarcity of rice in the state in August of 1965. AMSU President Peter Lystrom hoisted the flag of AMSU to begin the observance. Attendees paid floral tributes at the memorial of the 4 who laid down their lives in the movement at Pisum Chingamaka early this morning. It may be recalled that security forces shot down 2 students, namely Oinam Navakumar and Pramodini, and a driver of All India Radio Imphal, Oinam Nilamani, during the agitation at Chief Commissioner's compound. Lystrom Chaubal, a student of Lamphel High School who got injured on the day in history, succumbed to his injuries a month later on September 26, 1965. AMSU, a student association, was formally established after the incident on September 28, 1965. Thousands of students took out a Hunger Marchers Day rally chanting various slogans, including demands for justice to the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. They took out a rally on Singjamai Road from Pisum Chingamacha, passing through Moirangkhom turning, Kaisamthong, Kaisampath, Wahengbam Lekai, Khuyathong, turning till the northern gate of DM College. Later, a public meeting was also held at the college campus. Volunteers of various local clubs and Meira Paibis Association, including Poirai Ithiva Lob, Lions Club Imphal City United, IMC Ward number 11 Corporator M. Joy Chandra assisted the rallies. They opened temporary rest center and offered water to the rallying students. Volunteers of Manipuri Students Federation MSF, Students Union of Kangleipak Suk and Kangleipak Students Association KSA also opened rest center in front of Kaisampath Lairimbi, while Medellin Healthcare kept ambulances ready for any emergencies during the rally. Massive state police kept a strict vigil to ward off any untoward incident. All Manipur Students Union MSU, who took 3 resolutions, including to prevent communal administrative arrangement in the state when Indo-Naga peace talks between Indian government and NSC and IM culminate. MSU President Peter Lystrom says the same at the public meet held on the 54th Hunger Marchers Day at DM College of Arts campus today. Peter asserted that no district council or autonomous bodies can be formed in the name of any community or any political arrangement can be made disgracing the state legislative assembly. He also demanded public disclosure of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement 2015.
India fan the tilro matunda akoi democracy akoi ireba iramdam sa yamna nungai ba mong da lakani na khaljar ba manga do ngasidi tilro matunda Manipur gi wakhan Manipur da lepka da fi myam sa Delhi na lo decide tore Delhi na center oega loi chatlu hai mai ki da lepu hai mai ki da lefal laga thamaga lai re habsa ji loi mak myam khangdarabani aduna adugi poto khangapa mikupta yaujuru bokanda ningam dabagi kholaw ningam dab lakhi myam sa ngasi bu lep tri hatar makoina khoise kada buk thakta yengi haba miyeng se adugi yam han be example ni 1965 da 27 August da salang khok thokri bise akhogi irebang iramdam sida phangjariba sing sak singje putopi gi nu haibagi kholaw da adugulba thokiba issue omne hatar.
Speaking at the event, former MSU President Aribam Manisana lamented that there is no improvement in the education system of Manipur. He maintained that the existing education system is not different from the one which existed 50 years ago. Manisana expressed disappointment that many schools in rural areas of the state are still without proper fencing, doors and windows and other necessary infrastructure. Stating that acclaimed universities of the country have failed to come in the top 100 universities of the world, Manisana mentioned that the Manipur University has failed to include in the top 100 universities of India. He also stated that Bihar has higher success rates in examination conducted by UPSC than Manipur.
Kungdang lamda, sengi lamda, pudong tiba lagi bermayam se, lagi bermomen sina, hasuna yang sendiri. Hoi, gomnya mu brem to bedate. Saya yang bagi manungda, iskun manga dan, tara dan, kian giwena. Kara, sum semjen bila badi. 1975 tu wadi berpibam tu dagi. Saya yang kerja ni manungda pibam berpagalakan ni apa? Diwo mayam, tabak tawi, kadang tawi. Tebet tawi dia nyam kali tawi ya umri ga dia itu ta daraga kama itu gili ko ikachige abadi monda adu bi khala bele thabate besan tawi kai de to ba chi de to sira lupa karo manga kai thok pado pinda karo onto su yon biyo ba.
All Manipur Students Union MSU Ziribam District Committee also observed 54th Hunger Marchers Day at Ziribam Higher Secondary School today. Students of various schools in Ziribam also carried out a rally chanting various slogans from Ziribam Higher Secondary School passing through Ziribam Bridge and Babupara petrol pump. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portraits of late N. Pramodini, O. Nabakumar and L. Chaubal and W. Nilamani at the observance. Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan has condemned that CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam rebuke him for his honest opinion about availability of PDS items in Manipur. Speaking to media at BJP office in Kanchipur today, MP R.K. Ranjan recalled that he attended the Foundation Day observance of Consumers Club at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound on August 25th as a chief guest. R.K. Ranjan maintained that he spoke about non-withdrawal of PDS like wheat, sugar and kerosene for Manipur based on CAF and PD Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan's statement in the parliament, but Minister Karam Shyam called him ignorant for stating some facts. R.K. Ranjan refuted that wheat is much in demand in Manipur unlike what the minister said. He maintained that sugar and kerosene are also basic needs for every household. MP R.K. Ranjan asked the minister to ponder first before giving wrong statements on media.
सरकार याउमिनाई सुमे आइगी भोट खोमी सुमे आइगी भोट खोमी हाइदना नत्रग सरकार पुल्ली हाइदना लैरिबा श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार असिदी अकाउंटेबिलिटी ट्रांसपेरेंसी गुड गवर्नेंस हाइबस द युमफम ओरगा लैबा अदुगुंबा सासननी अखोय मणिपुर द हुजिक लैरिबा बीजेपी गा चुमसिनबा सरकार से पीपल्स गवर्नमेंट हाइने अदुगुंबा प्रजा की दमत लैरिबा प्रजा मियाम की अपामबदो मदु फेक एंड फिगर द बेस तोरगा फोंदोकपदा करिगिनो असु यामना सावगदोरी से हाइबसे आई कितंग खनबम खंगदे अमसी पंहाइदी हाइनिंगदे मीना कितंग हाइरकपदा कोकता नापी पाबोय निंगना सुमाबगी अदुगुंबा स्टाइल से मसीदी लैबाकसिगी काई खुनजरबा मिनिस्टर अमगुंबना सरकार याउमिनाई सुमे अमगुंबनादी सिगी काई खुनजरबा मिनिस्टर अमगुंबनादी मसीगी वही से हाइहनजनिंगदे
Wabagai Transport Cooperative Society Limited in a press release declared that all transport vehicles under the society will go on steering wheel down strike from August 29 in solidarity to the JAC formed against the suspicious death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on launching of 21-day ICAR Summer School 2019 at Kau Iroisemba. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. 21-day ICAR Summer School 2019 kicked off today at the conference hall of College of Agriculture, Kau Iroisemba. Directorate of Education, Central Agricultural University Imphal organized a program sponsored by Educational Division ICAR New Delhi on the theme Agricultural Education, Entrepreneurship and Skill Development in India. Speaking at the event, Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University Imphal, Professor M. Premjit, stressed the need for education and entrepreneurship to go hand in hand. He espoused for a revised education policy to enhance agriculture productions. Professor M. Premjit criticized that due to incompetent agriculture policy in the state and the country, youths and farmers are less attracted to farming activities.
Indian Council of Agricultural Research is doing, because they have given more emphasis on entrepreneurship programs. As our registrar has already pointed out, one-year course is designed under 15th committee. It is, for example, RAWI program, in-plant training program, industrial attachment, many things. ARIA, then there are many programs, for example, student-ready program. Why it is happening? Because actually this education, it cannot go alone. And education has to move along with the agripreneurship or entrepreneurship, so that ultimately we can solve this problem.
Agriculture Director Laltalpui Habajong urged farmers to get the benefit of Prime Minister Kishan Man Dhan Yojana PMK-MY initiated by the Ministry of Agriculture. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at Agriculture Directorate in Sanjentong today, Agriculture Director Laltalpui stated that awareness programs will be held on the scheme for farmers. She maintained that the scheme provides 3,000 rupees pension per month to beneficiary farmers. Laltanpui stated that the farmers between the age group of 18 to 40 years can register for PMKMY at community service centers. Subscribers for the scheme should make monthly contribution of 55 rupees to 200 rupees depending on their age at the time of registration. Laltanpui stated that the subscribed farmers will get 3,000 rupees per month upon reaching the retirement age of 60 years through direct benefit transfer from the ministry.
Biyaogi dobo mi si 18 to 40 years oigi dobo ne mi amasina 18 years se yauramba taridi monthly contribution si 55 rupees ne and matching contribution farmer na 55 rupees puthokpada government na su 55 rupees puthokani aduga total na 110 every month aduna the contribution se na 60 years power adu the continue togi dobo and once the person reach 60 years monthly pension of 3,000 assured throughout the lifetime of the farmer aduga karigumba farmer masina contribution hore in between unfortunately magi sidokhiba kari tobo lerdi magi nupa hangde my spouse na dugi same amount to the contribution si continue tobo yaye.
Members of Mau Imphal Coordination Committee and Wall United Youth Club organized one-day Mau market sale at Wall United Youth Club in Wangkai Angom Lekai today. Mau vendors got a chance to sell various fruits and vegetables at the event. Mau Imphal Coordination Committee appealed to the government to build a proper market shade for the Mau vendors at the earliest. Social worker Hemlal Haukib inaugurated a Masim bridge on Tharoi Lok River today. Leaders of civil societies and eminent members of Thangting Area Chief Association attended the event. Speaking at the event, Hemlal Haukib lauded Thangting Area Chief Association and the public for their cooperation in building the bridge. He further appealed to join hands in taking any welfare works in the future. Hemlal also highlighted the inconveniences facing the people and especially students in the area during rainy season. He also expressed grief upon the demise of one boy who drowned last year. It may be mentioned that construction of the bridge worth 2.70 lakh rupees started at June 24 and completed on August 23 this year. Chiefs of the association donated funds for the bridge as the authorities concerned failed to consider the plights facing the people.
Masithong sida changiba paisa se lakh ani ga 70,000 gumba changi aduga 2.7 gumba changi chaurokna adubo masithong sida paidagi maru oriba se angang sing student sing na school chapa matamda si thong sida yamna khudung thiba tai hakum so angang ma ising na uduna uchina tinda se makharom sida logthoe aduga masithong sida hanna garis se no tab matamda lan thokga yadawrina sigi era digi communication gap yamna oi halle masithong sina adugi da makhui thangting area gi chief session na ekoi ni thoma yam se paisa donation tonarga masithong se sabani.
United People's Front Manipur in a press release urged people to take part in its 21st Foundation Day celebration at Lisamlok village in Senapati district on August 28. Kangleipak Students Association KSA condemned the state government has deprived benefits under Reservation of Economically Weaker Section EWS to beneficiaries of the state as it has failed to issue EWS certificate. Speaking to media at KAS office in Kuyatong today, KSA's President Ningthozam Chetan expressed disappointment that 10% of the general category of Manipur coming under EWS per Gazette notification of India published on January 12 this year are deprived of EWS benefits. He warned that KSA will file complaints at MHRD and authorities concerned if the government failed to look into the matter.
India government lenga ki reservation policy amo oina January ki tang 33 2019 da India ki gazette haptuna 103rd amendment 2019 ki makhada constitution ki provision da economical weaker section gi reservation asi pigadabni habasi phone karba matungda Manipur gi oina ngasi phawbok ta lebak nga iba government sina reservation gi higher education da reservation pirgasu economical weaker section certificate provide tawungam da asina Manipur da leiriba ireicha sing asina economical weaker section ki reservation asi khudong chaba asi lawbo phangdriba asi leiba ki puning chingsinjari satra kyana agitation tawduna gi inner line permit chanagadamni haina demand kya tawriba asumba lamdam asida economical weaker section pidaba asina Manipur da leiriba iricha singna akhogi masigi category asida admission da amasung recruitment da thaba phangdaba asina atopa lamdagi mito myan cha singna changselaga Manipur gi economy she hena handhan ga drive case de ami paiba pokpa galoinana masigi atuba matam da government
Members of Manipur University of Culture Teachers Association and Manipur University of Culture Students Union carried out protest demonstration at the university gate in Palace Compound today, condemning the gunpoint robbery by 3 miscreants from a teacher of the university last night. Taking part in the protest, victim of the incident, Assistant Professor Yengkom Sanjit Kumar stated that 3 unidentified persons halted his bike on his way home from Chingaril to Waiton at around 7:30 p.m. He claimed that the 3 miscreants robbed all his belongings at gunpoint and fled away. Condemning the incident, Sanjit Kumar urged the government to book the wrongdoers.
Masih phabisi siangna kanda tagi sumaina chamna leijaba ko ojagi punsi na tra satrojun mission pra chamna leijari be singsi da sumaina khoi gi nongmai ga pair ga sagi galgalcha gi type to moina sagi moi khudong chaba khara lau na hona ba magi mong da lai bese masum mase tahun janing de masi makha ta ba tawidana ba khoi gi university gi khoi gi faculty ama de oja sing gi side gi ana mo sinjaraga masi tawiganu aduga mari laina ba sakar gi side gi su khoi gi asum masing gi thokna ba khoi gi mari laina ba an ge ba khoi gi thabak sing lokhat pi hai wa phum jinai thamjini masi phabisi
Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPUVO Nambol in a press release stated that DPUVO members held a condolence meet along with Nambol Apunva Mairapai Billup members to express sorrows upon the demise of Pukrambam Bidhu, who once took a major role in developmental initiatives of Nambol and in solving various issues of the state. A combined team of Thobal Commando and 26th Assam Rifles has arrested a suspected self-styled second lieutenant of Proscribed People's Liberation Army PLA. The arrested person is 32-year-old Laishram Sanatomba alias Sunil, son of Tombi from Yairipog Bishnu Naha Mayai Lekai. Impact News sources said that the combined team supervised by Thobal SP Bomcha arrested Sanatomba during a search operation carried out at Yairipog Sipai Lekai last evening. Culture and Language Department Telangana along with Indian Mime Academy will organize International Mime Festival at Hyderabad on August 29. Play of a Kanglai Mime Theatre Repertory in Imphal titled Crashed But Alive, directed by Dr. Yumnam Sadananda, will be showcased at the festival. Artists of Kanglai Mime will leave Imphal to participate in the festival tomorrow. All India Youth Federation in a press release informed that 24th state-level Jananeta Hizam Irawat Saitha song competition will be held on September 15, 22, 26 and 30 along with various other events. Interested students can contact the Federation for further information. Now the sports news. A Thangta team of 14 members including President of World Thangta Federation Manipur, Huidrom Prem Kumar, coach and players left Imphal today to take part in the 2019 World Martial Arts Festival and the 5th International Thangta Championship 2019 at Chungju City in South Korea from August 30 till September 6. 5 players from Jammu and Kashmir will also showcase various martial arts events in the festival where 23 countries will take part. Kho-Kho Federation of India will organize the first International Kho-Kho Technical Official Clinic or Seminar under Asian Kho-Kho Federation at Ajmer in Rajasthan from August 30 till 31. Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association in a press release informed that 4 officials of the state will take part in the seminar. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Health and Ayush Minister Lampalapam Jentakumar asserts Ayush medicine Belladonna 200 can prevent Japanese encephalitis with no side effect. Wangjing Tentha MLA Paungnam Broadgen urges relevant authority to help farmers with alternate cultivation in the wake of impossible paddy cultivation during scanty rainfall. Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian says Agriculture Department is seeking 18 crore rupees from centre to ease alternate cropping for drought-affected farmers. All Manipur Students' Union observes 54th Hunger Marchers Day. Thousands of students take out Hunger Marchers Day rally in commemoration of the day.